He loves to paint. His crazy idea is a non-stop 2-day live stream of him painting. He can't wait imagining thousands of dollars in donations will pour into his account.
Your health is important, and with just new account, your live streaming will have no views. You can make a plan and doing it directly, but without good strategy, your goal will be hard to reach.
Guys, some of you already know that piling up content is not a strategy, it's just a plan or an activity to be checked off a to-do list.
Huh?
Even this is the same. Selling merchandise is usually just a plan. Why? Because selling merchandise is a technical step. It is just the way you distribute your work. Just like when you say, I will print my drawings on keychains and sell them on Amazon or Etsy. That is a plan, because you are simply moving an image from a screen to a physical object. All people also do that as their plan. But strategy is the why or how you make people actually want to buy that merchandise, even though thousands of other artists are selling the exact same keychains. So selling is a plan, but making people want to buy, for that, you need a strategy.
Pika Pika, 50% off!
Awesome, I'll take one.
Pika Pika, next!
Me too.